All right, so what I just wanted to do is break it down so it'll sit much flatter on the tail. Let's see how that looks. As you can tell, I cut it down to make it look more flush than what it was before. So now it's gonna look like it's all molded in because I'm gonna come and do all of my body work right up to it. And so it'll be all one piece. So now we're gonna go ahead and start laying up for the fiberglass to fiberglass this thing. So now I'm gonna get my mat out and then start placing it down. Not my mat, my fabric. I absolutely love it when a plan comes together. Look how nice that looks. Wow, that is amazing. So now, as you see, I cut it down and it's gonna look more flush onto the cowl, which I did a cowl delete right here. So the cowl is mounted down underneath, and I also glued it, epoxied it all the way around. So hopefully that'll stay. And then we're gonna put I put the cloth over top right here to seal the deal. But when I tell you the amount of detail, look at the detail right there on that side. And this is what I'm gonna love when putting it together. It's all gonna mold all together. That is just phenomenal. Now, underneath, because I'm gonna add my speakers right here and right here. So this is what we're about to work on now. I'm about to get ready to remove this undertail. I'm gonna make this undertail piece out of wood. So then that'll give me it's broke anyway. So see how it's all broke right there. I wanna make this out of wood, so I'm just gonna cut it here and we're just gonna repair it and fix it with that and refiberglass it down here to give it more support at the bottom. So we're just gonna redo the whole thing. So I've been sitting back here trying to figure out where I wanted to do my orientation for the speakers. First I thought about off to the side, kind of like this, maybe come up about 3 inches. Or I was thinking of doing like a little was it pointing out like this? See, I kind of like that too, though. But then I kind of like coming off at the angle too. Coming off. You see, this is the hard part, is trying to figure out how you want it. Like I could do just like that or something subtle. But I think I'm gonna do like this. I think I'm gonna drop it in the back, probably about 2 to 3 inches. Yeah. Okay, so now it is time to add the fabric underneath. So I'm gonna get all this worked out. I actually opened up the holes to make them bigger underneath, so the figures can have a way where I can wire it and pass wires through, and also for the magnet to go in. That came down. Didn't want that. All right, I'll cut that out. right, there it is. It went from concept to design real quick. So the one part I like, I'm gonna have this like it's laying down. I'm gonna have this laying down in the inside of it, so it look like it's being cradled by that area. This side is looking phenomenal. Now next, after I get this all glassed in, I gotta work on this area right here to have it meet with that. Okay, it is time to get this thing laid in glass. So what I'm gonna do now is remove these two panels, the top and the bottom. I'm gonna do the top one while it's staying on the bike. I'm gonna remove the bottom one, put it on the table. I'm gonna do it that way. But I am so excited to be at this point right now. You guys have no idea. I am so ready to have this done. That is awesome. Wow. I don't know. I can't. This is the look. I can't really add nothing else to it. I think if I do too much at this point, it'll be this bike, we will lose it. It'll be gone forever. The look of it wouldn't look the same. I need to just leave it. That's nice. That's nice. The tank, just a simple, run this up so it'll have its elbow, you know, the other side of match. And I'm just gonna make this that one little sleeve. I think that's it. A pop-up gas cap, something nice, sleek. And I don't know what to do on the frame yet. I'm still trying to debate what I'm gonna do on the frame, but I love it how it is. It looks real nice. Besides it needs to be painted, but I don't know. I was thinking about doing this maybe all in carbon fiber or crushed carbon. I think that would be crazy. I doubt crushed carbon. That would be sweet, yeah.